Welcome to Inspiration 365 by LynnieMotivates.com. Hi, I'm Lynnie Wennerstrom, spiritual mentor, common sense health expert, encourager, and creator of LynnieMotivates.com. This app is a living app, meaning that I will constantly be adding material like quotes, affirmations, meditations, and other tools to help you to keep your frequency high. My intention in creating this app for you is to do just that. In addition to the workshops I put on, my Love Notes newsletter and my merch store designed to keep inspiration right in front of you by wearing it or drinking out of a mug. Inspiration 365 is another beautiful tool, and it's available to you every single day of the year. Yep-a-roos, you guessed it, 365. It's my desire to help you keep vibrating at a high frequency emotionally, because when we vibrate at a high frequency, and I'm referring to high frequency emotions that feel good like love, joy, gratitude, appreciation, happiness, compassion, in contrast with low frequency emotions that don't feel good like unhappiness, judgment, self-hatred, hatred of others, anger. That's when we begin to shed those divisive and low frequency emotions little by little and begin to create the life that we want by focusing more on what we want rather than what we don't, which as humans, why do we have a tendency to do that? We get to create what we do want in our lives rather than what we don't want. And I think it's safe to say that if you're here, you, just like me, want to be aligned and to live in harmony with our world, flowing in the universal law of harmony, and to feel and be happy, feel good. We are creators. This app is meant to remind you of your own personal power. When more and more of us become aware of our own power, that's when together we change the world and create that heaven on earth, which in spite of all the tumultuousness happenings on planet Earth today, it's happening for us all. So I invite and encourage you to come back daily and use this as a tool for whatever you need for the day. Simply choose one thing daily and use it like you would an oracle deck. Open the Inspiration 365 app and just feel into it. What speaks to you? What do you need today? Maybe it's a meditation to lift and encourage you, an affirmation that you can write out on a sticky note and place it on your bathroom mirror. You should see mine. Or on your fridge to remind you of your awesomeness daily. Or maybe it's a quote that helps you to feel good and reminds you of your own goodness. Maybe even raises your spirits. Inspiration 365 is your invitation to start your day every day with a smile and a knowing of who and what you really are. A perfect and beautiful soul, a light being in a human body. That is my intention for you. Happiness and feeling in harmony with the world. We may all be very unique individuals, but spiritually, we are one. We all come from that one energy, creator or God, whatever you choose to call that beautiful higher power. We are simply individual expressions of the one with free will. So we get to choose our emotions and our intentions. It's fun. With the Inspiration 365 app, I hope to remind you daily to always remember and claim your power and to set your intention daily to live your day fully, because you are incredibly powerful. You get to choose your thoughts, and thoughts are things. They're energy that you are putting out to the universe. That's not Lynnie talk, that's proven science, quantum physics. So the higher your thoughts, the wonderful life you create and the happier you become, and you're in control of all of that. With that, again, I welcome you to Inspiration 365 by LynnieMotivates.com. I hope you'll take a moment to share a beautiful quote you'd like to see, an affirmation you'd like, or ideas you have, which will help make this app more inviting and empowering for you and for everyone. Because together we can raise our frequency, the frequency of our planet, and we can be the change and be the inspiration for others to want to join us. Blessings of abundance, beautiful health, smooth and joyous relationships, and immense happiness to you. Shining my light to brighten yours. Ciao.